It is Saturday, March 10th, 2012. Very chilly day, like 37 degrees, yet none of the heat pumps at this property are running. Again, this one's a 96 Bryant heat pump, and this one is a, I forget what, 2002 Bryant heat pump. And I got a closer look at that Ducane on the other side of the building. I saw the reversing valve, so that is a heat pump. The only one that is not a heat pump is the little, like, 03 Bryant. Nothing's running, it's surprising. And I am so backlogged on videos right now, it's not even funny. 96 Carrier heat pump. Very rusted out, but still runs like a champ. Can't tell what kind of compressor that thing has in it. It has a blanket. You know what? I'll bet that's a crankcase heater. So I can't tell what kind of compressor it is. Probably reciprocating. I am so backlogged. I have videos going all the way back to last weekend that I have to upload. Yeah, that's a straight cool. Little, what the hell year was this thing? 2002, 2-ton, 24,000 BTU. Tiny little guy. I have to come back here in less than a week, so maybe I'll get it running then, in either heat mode or cool mode. Yeah, there's the reversing valve. That's a Ducane, and it looks kind of like a Goodman. And then this one in the middle was having problems last time. I don't know if they fixed that or not. Yeah, all these are heat pumps. 2005 2-ton, 2005 3-ton, 2007 3-ton. So two 36,000 BTUs and a 24,000 BTU. And this looks a lot like the old that 2006 Payne at the nursing home, except that the 2006 Payne at the nursing home was a straight cool unit, and it was a 5-ton. I think they might need a little bit of a cleaning, but definitely one of the better installs I've seen. And it would appear that there was a round unit there before. Though I doubt one of these units died after only 2 years. Those are both 2005, and the square one is a 07. So yeah, the teardrop units are both 05, and this one's an 07. So I don't know how old this building is, but I mean at least 1996, because the one Carrier's in 96. If this building's old enough, there may have been round ones, or those old Snyder Generals. Though I have yet to see anyone who knows HVAC's going to know what I'm talking about. The round Snyder Generals, typically branded as Arcoware and Comfort Maker. More than likely round ones, because I have not seen a heat pump Snyder General of that style yet. They've all been straight cools. So yeah, if this building's old enough, there might have been round ones here. And then aside from the, there's a LG ductless mini split in the front of the building that I didn't film. These are, what I just showed you, pretty much all the heat pumps at this building. These 3 Paynes, the Ducane, the Bryant, and the Carrier in the back, and the other 2 Bryants on the side. So yeah, I'm going to be coming back here in less than a week, so it's going to be actually pretty warm later this week, so I might actually get a video of one of these running in cool mode. And I filmed so many heat pumps, I forget what compressor each unit has. This one has a scroll, this one has a reciprocating, and this one has a reciprocating. And since that's an 07, it's a 13 SEER at the very least. Probably like an 8 HSPF. And those two are probably like 10 SEER. Alright. Hopefully they'll be running in a week. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out. There is the LG ductless mini split. Pretty sure that's a heat pump. And it looks pretty new. Nice little unit in my opinion. Someone in the United Kingdom has a video of one of these defrosting. Take a closer look. Room air conditioner. Okay, so this one's a straight cool. I got it zoomed in. Hold on a minute. Okay, we're back. Yeah, so that one's a straight cool unit. Don't feel like deciphering the data sheet right now. When I come back, I'll get a picture of the data sheet. Alright, so that is the LG straight cool ductless mini split. I'm gonna go see if there's any more heat pumps on the property, and then we will get out of here.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.